Just gonna round it up. Now the question is, can I save, is the amount that I'm saving enough to get there? Okay? So if you go to the future value, I'm gonna earn 12% for 40 years. Periodic payment, I start with 250, 10,000. Annual growth rate is 3. Turns out it's more than enough. If I start saving right now at 250, grow that 3% at an annual clip or 0.247% per month, I'm going to have that much in my account. Future value of 10,000 initial balance, 250 first payment, R equals 12%, G equals 3%. It's about $5.01 million. So this is achievable. I can actually ask myself a different question. I got to the 5.01 because I said I'm going to invest into small cap stocks. But if that's my retirement goal, 5,000 starting salary, increase at 5% a year, and end up with 2 million. I can achieve that by taking less risk. So I'm going to ask myself the following question. What would be the APR on balances during the saving stage so that I can exactly achieve all my retirement goals. Now we're going to ask a different question. I know how much I need in my account when I retire, okay? If I have 2.854, that's some change, that's enough to satisfy all my retirement goals. So I'm going to copy that number. That's where I want to be. I'm going to go to future value of growth annuity. For targets, I'm going to paste the value of that. Okay. Now I'm going to ask myself the question, this is just too big. I'm saving too much if I can earn 12%. So I'm leaving the rest of the parameters exactly the same. And I'm going to ask, at what APR I can achieve my goals? Obviously, it's going to be less. Well, 10 is too little. 11 is too much. And so on. Looks like it's going to be something around 1025, but it's a rather uncivilized way of doing things. You know what we're going to do? We're going to let Excel to solve that problem with a lot more precision. Click on your difference data tab, what if analysis, goal seek, make that equal to 0 by changing what I don't know, APR. So 1020. As an example, let's look at something. Last 15 years. Let's do last 4 years. Sorry guys, let me turn this. See what the number is. That number is a little bit bigger, but let's see, let's look at the mid cap or large cap. I'm just gonna do a mix. So let's assume it's about 7%. Oh. It's about the right numbers. Again, we can do it using so if I do my portfolio, 36% large caps, only 67% small caps, I can achieve that. This is a simple way of doing it. Obviously, I would also put in mid caps and some other stuff, but at least the less your APR, the more large cap stock you want to do. Why? Because they're less risky. Okay. So by investing about 1/3 in an overall index and about 2/3 in small caps, you can pretty much achieve that kind of return. Alternatively, you can ask other stuff. Suppose I wanted to leave $3 million, okay? And I want to still take same amount of risk. If I want to leave $3 million, I need 3.332 in my account when I retire. At this saving rate, I don't have it. So I'm asking you guys, if you download this one, find out what should be my first periodic savings. So instead of $250, what's the amount that I need to achieve my goals, my revised goals? Everything is the same, I just wanna leave 3 million. Instead of 12, I'm earning 1020 during the savings years. Basically, what's the cost of that extra $1 million for me? Answer me, shocking. I'm sure you're already appreciating the beauty of this template. Writing down the description of the problem took about 10 times, even speaking it took about 10 times the amount of time I needed to solve it. Once I had the template. Now you can take this to any of your clients, if you're a financial advisor, and you can start, crunching numbers. Let's see if the retirement goals are achievable. If so, at what cost? Anyone has an answer? It's okay if it's wrong. I just want to see that you tried. All right. Same deal. These are my retirement goals. Start with 5, increase it at 5%, leave 12, I need 3.327. Copy that, go to future value, make that number your target, paste values. Now, everything else is the same except I need more. Because if I put in 250 the first month, I'm going to end up with only 285. So I'm going to take that difference, data, what if analysis, goal seek, make that difference 0 by changing the only thing I don't know. I don't know why it's